So today we are going to make our own baby food. We have a over a year old baby at the moment who is kind of refusing to eat baby food with a spoon. So we're gonna try these reusable pouches to see if she will go for that, because she is actually very good at eating from pouches that we buy from the store. So we'll see how this works. So I recruited my husband and probably a little helper to help us out making baby food. There you go. Put your hands together.
Bubble, bubble. I want my hands good waiters. You, Daddy. You guys, Mommy. I'll help you. You guys, Mommy. You guys, Mommy. Yeah. Yeah, two apples. Yeah.
Fast.
Whoa.
Okay, keep going.
Boys.
Yep, go.
Dad, we're making baby food, right?
Mm-hmm. Use those muscles. Use the muscles. Push, River, push. You're doing so good. There you go. Okay, you stop. Pull that off.
Apple.
I mean, you could easily break it with your hands.
We're working for this one.
Switch on, cover the pot, and blend. Mommy's a master peeler.
Master peel? What's why, Dad?
Why?
Look how fast she's going.
What could I do, Mommy?
Put the peels in the bowl. Can you put the peels in the bowl?
Can you go fast?
That's so slow.
You can go faster, so go faster. Oh, now you're a master helper, Ezio.
Oh, that's a big handful.
While Ezio and Mommy were peeling the sweet potatoes, River was working on the carrots for our sweet potato, carrot, and mango dish. That is the look of a mother who's trying really hard to make sure she makes something that actually tastes good for her daughter, something that we would eat. A few more adjustments, and then on to standard like fruit smoothie almost. We filled up one pouch of each flavor to use now, and then froze the rest.
You okay? But you're being so tough, River. Okay.
Good job, River.
Hold this right there.
One pouch successful.
Whoa!
That's so cool.
I'm gonna put the lid now.
Yep, you can put the lid on.
Mom, this is supposed to be awesome baby food.
Mm-hmm. You did really good, River.
I don't know how I got this one in. But I did. Now I have to get it out.
Perfect.
Purple and pink. Purple and
And we'll do one orange one.
berry. Orange. Pink. Purple.
Now that we're done with the pouches we're gonna use now, we started filling up the trays, which we froze as individual like ice cubes so they wouldn't stick together, and then put them all in one big bag. And we knew those ice cubes wouldn't stick to each other because they had been individually frozen. It was easy to take out a couple ice cubes, however many you needed, thaw them, put them in a pouch, and feed them. Even the washcloth. Fans are covered in it now. We were really excited to see her enjoying it, eating from the pouch, but about a minute later, this was happening. And voila! Like that, she is happy and ready to eat some more. Yes, pouches weren't the biggest hit in the world. But hey, she likes the food. I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe got some ideas for how to help your kids eat. And hopefully you subscribe or check out our building channel as well. Take and go fast.
Oh no!
Oh no! Can I do this one so fast?
I'm going as fast as I can. Whoa!